All right, welcome back to another episode of Mess It Up with Massey, and co-sponsored by no one is just me. So hi. so मैंने मेरे लास्ट एपिसोड में ये हमारे जो लास्ट एपिसोड था वो कुछ दिन पहले ही आया था ऑन 20th April विद अनन्या वाडकर एंड अनन्या इज ऑलरेडी हियर. सो मैंने हमारे पिछले गेस्ट के एपिसोड में मैंने बोल दिया था, अनाउंस कर दिया था कि इस बार का हमारा गेस्ट कौन होने वाला है. So it's none other than Mausami Agnihotri, and she works in an organization called Nature Healthcare, where आपको मालूम होगा, see there are lot animal lovers out there, but बहुत कम लोग इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं उनका ध्यान रखने का, and she is one of them. So and they work a lot for Arya Mill Colony as well, if you know. आर्य जो फॉरेस्ट है वहाँ पे जो क्लीनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दे टेक अ लॉट केयर. सो आज के हमारी गेस्ट बहुत चीजें इन डेप्थ में बताने वाले हैं, एंड लेट मी इनवाइट हर. एंड इट्स अ बर्थडे बाय द वे टुडे. इट्स अ बर्थडे. ओके ओके, जस्ट टेकिंग द कैन, थोड़ा टकरा गया. सेंड द इनविटेशन. हाय.
Hi. Hello.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू मेस इट अप विद मैसी.
Thank you so much. Wait, let me just adjust the camera first.
Sure.
Let you all see this face
Guess
that
you
you
can
guys
take
need
your
to
time.
face. You guys need to face for an hour, I guess. Yeah. Let's
All
go.
right. First of all, happy birthday, guys. You can spam the comment section wishing her
Yes.
happy birthday, or you can send a
Thank
lot
you.
hearts over here. You can like the session. It's her birthday.
Thank you so much.
So, how was your day? First of all, how was your day?
Stressful.
Stressful. Birthday and
I was
stressful.
working.
Oh, you know, मेरा birthday actually 26 Jan को आता है. So मेरे birthday के टाइम पूरे देश को छुट्टी रहती है. So I don't have to work on that day. So
Even on my
sadly,
birthdays, it used to be summer vacation, so it's okay. You know, no kharcha at all for parties and stuff as such. We used to be at our village. Sorted.
So, see, as you are live on our show today, so I would like to give you a small surprise.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you so much. I was expecting this.
So, all right, I'll sing it for you. Happy birthday, Mausami. Happy birthday, Mausami. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mausami.
Thank you so much. I'm
You're
glad
welcome.
you didn't sing that Afri song because it sounds like Mosh Me.
कभी एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है क्या ये?
हाँ हुआ है, इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ.
तभी. So, you work in an organization called Nature Healthcare.
Yes.
So, can you tell me about what exactly it is about? मैंने short brief दिया audience को. So, you can
Okay.
tell a bit more in detail, you know.
We are exactly about what nature and stuff as such, you can say, and it also goes with everything in nature. Like if you say soil, water, trees, birds, species, every species around, like even human beings, not only animals, and everything as such. Like we care for them, and we really feel that everyone should be treated equal. Like there
Exactly.
should be no what do you say, religion borders as such, like no Hinduism, no casteism as such, but there should be either there should be vegetarians, non-vegetarians and vegan, or there should be birds, animals and humans. That's it. That is that the world will be so easy, which we think.
And at the end, we are sharing the same floating rock. So, I think so we should look after each other. That should be a thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's how everything goes in the nature. You know, it is a cycle which is naturally formed, and we should, besides following some other trend, we should follow the trend which is going on since years. Like,
Exactly.
yeah.
So who exactly is the the founder of Nature Healthcare?
Actually, Nature Healthcare was totally a different team. Okay, and it was not even in public. I'll tell you from the beginning in short. Like my brother, my Mr. Naman Agnihotri, like he started with some of his friends feeding animals and such. I joined him. We came up with such ideas, and we had a small dog who was bitten behind, like near his tail, and he got maggots. So one guy was there, Roshan Sapkal or something. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he is the one who was working, who had come to for the rescue for that dog. So he got to know that we are working here in this area, and he then once we had a meeting, he shared his ideas, we shared ours, and then we collaborated, and then this is how Nature's Healthcare formed. You know,
Exactly.
someone from my house, someone from their house, and then everything is like a total family of
A
a
family,
Nature
exactly.
Healthcare. Yeah. So it is how you get married and you go to some other place, na? Someone else's house. So it is how it went, and now we are a family. We got married to them, and now we are a family.
Wow. So, as I said in beginning as well, like before you joined the session, I said ki there are a lot animal lovers, but only few are there who take initiative to take care of them. So, lockdown was there last year as well. अभी तो है, but like not that scale का जो last year था. So, जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था, मेरे ब्रदर, माय एल्डर ब्रदर, when it's his birthday today, आज उनका भी बर्थडे है.
Yeah, you told me.
So, first of all, happy birthday, Aussie bhai, if you're watching this. So, या सो लास्ट ईयर भी लॉकडाउन हुआ एंड सब लोग घर के अंदर है. जब लोग घर के बाहर निकलते तो ये नहीं कि मतलब जो खाना बचा रहता था, सो मैनी डू कि मतलब जो बचा हुआ खाना वो स्ट्रीट डॉग्स को आके देते थे.
Yeah.
अब लॉकडाउन है तो घर से कोई उतर ही नहीं रहा, सब अपने घरों में फंसे हुए हैं एंड वो बेचारे भी भूखे. सो माय एल्डर ब्रदर ही यूज्ड टू गो डाउन, लाइक ही वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ एन एनजीओ. सो वो जाते थे नीचे एंड वो डॉग्स को डेली फीड करके आते थे in this lockdown, like last year का जो
Nice.
lockdown था. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what about you guys, like last year जब lockdown हुआ था, so how did you guys manage to feed the dogs?
Actually, we started in the lockdown only.
Oh.
Because that is the look, I was completing my graduation, and people were, the whole world was villa. They were doing nothing. Okay, was at home
Exactly.
and chilling and stuff as
काफी
such.
लोग bakers बन गए.
मैं खुद like I was, you can ask my seniors if they are watching कि how great cook I am. they risk, they are like before eating anything they're like पहले तू खा, if you are okay for the post 10 minutes then we'll have it. Like wow, what kind of trust you guys have in me, like you want me
Exactly.
to eat it first and then you guys will have it. Like nice, but they love it, and I am totally a foodie. You will आपको ऐसे पता नहीं चलेगा मुझे देख के, but I am, I keep eating,
मुझे
so it
देख के
is
पता
like
चलता how big foodie I am.
I told in the comment of Ananya's life to like stay happy and keep eating, like that is the motto
Yes.
of our life, but stay happy, keep eating and keep feeding, that is the main motto of everyone's life now. Now everyone, sorry, what was the question?
So how did you manage to feed the dogs in the
Yeah,
previous lockdown?
actually, how when we started, it was very much easy for us because we were planning a lot, and our criteria is we plan a lot, we take time, we do things later, लेकिन अच्छे से, at a perfect time, at a perfect place, with a plan, good plan of action, and then we go for it. That
Oh.
is how things goes. Like we believe in practicality and not in uh, not in more discussion, like no arguments and anything as such, because we believe को उसको मुझसे ज़्यादा पता है या इसको मुझसे ज़्यादा पता है. We believe something as such, so it is like into agreements.
Oh, that's
Such.
cool. So, being a organization where you take care of nature, more specifically. So, ever happened that you faced any animal cruelty wala incident? Ever happened? So you all taken action. You took an action against that scene.
I guess few days before there was a video on overall the social media and stuff. There,
The bike one, if you're talking about.
no, not that one. That was more. Actually, to be honest, I don't see such videos. I don't believe in sharing such videos. You will never see me sharing such videos. Even my organization people, they ask me to share it. I'm like, no. If I can't watch it, why should I allow others to watch it? It is like that kind of mentality I have, because I can treat that animal when it is there. Like I have done it. लेकिन हाँ, so this incident was few days back. Some guy was beating this dog, black dog he was, stray dog, with bamboo or something.
Ouch.
And बहुत ज़्यादा उसे like at some point उसने उसको बहुत जोर से hit किया and he was totally on the ground. And I saw the next day or after that day, one of my members, Aisha, एक minute, Isha, sorry, Isha Salyan, like she's the one who's brave enough to go on the field and work with such things and medications and such. So that dog was with her, and she literally uploaded the picture of that video, screenshot side mein, and then she had filed the FIR. That it was
Against the
really,
person.
yes, exactly. So even we have done we totally avoid such things. We are not growing yet. Like अभी धीरे धीरे सब कुछ हो रहा है. We grow according to areas. So it is going like that.
Like a few days ago, actually it's going to be around 15 days before. So I had gone down to buy ice cream. What time lockdown वगैरह नहीं था. So I had gone down to buy ice cream, and there was a small baby, a small puppy. So उसकी mom उसको like feed कर रही थी. And there's this drunk guy, like वो गिरते चलते आ रहा था, and जानबूझ के, see the dog is sitting over here, and वो जानबूझ के उसके सामने से जा रहा है, so the dog barks because वो अपने
Yeah.
बेबी को फीड कर रही है, and it's a natural thing. So
Exactly.
उसने अपना बैग उतारा डॉग को मारने के लिए. So I literally screamed. It was around 11 in the night. I literally screamed. मैंने सोचा समझा कुछ नहीं, मैं चिल्लाया उसके ऊपर, वो एकदम से रुक गया ऐसा कि क्या हुआ करके. Then I was like, जितनी तेजी से तूने बैग उतारा उतनी तेजी से पहनो, निकल यहाँ से. And
Yeah, it is totally not a good thing. I have, near Andheri station, I have stopped the whole crowd to take picture of that animal, of that dog who was, wounded. Even I had fought with people. They are like, why are you feeding them here, or why are you treating them here? They don't understand. We can't treat them anywhere. We really can't
Exactly.
treat them anywhere. We have to take them to a safer place, to an open place where we can. But we take care of such things के मतलब लोगों को problem ना हो. But still people come in from nowhere.
Exactly.
I don't know. But it's okay. You keep your ideas with you. I keep my ideas with me. I don't even argue with few people. It is a totally waste of time. Like I have to treat that animal. I don't have to fight with you.
Exactly. You know, एक तो ये भी चीज है कि डॉग्स आर लाइक, वो तो पहली चीज वो बेजुबान जानवर है. अब वो अपना मुंह खोल के बोल नहीं सकते ना कि देखो मुझे पेन है, मैं इतने दिन का भूखा हूँ. वो आपके
Yeah.
आगे पीछे आएगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल लिटरली थ्रो स्टोन्स ऑन देम.
Yeah, I
पर
don't know.
जस्ट कीप योर सेल्फ इन दैट प्लेस कि अगर तुम्हें कोई ऐसे पत्थर मारेगा, तुम भूखे हो किसी के पास जा रहे हो, कोई तुम्हें पत्थर मार के भगा दे, हाउ विल यू फील? दैट्स टोटली टेरिबल. बट
Exactly.
वो तो बेचारे बेजुबान जानवर है, तो बोल भी नहीं सकते, बस पूछ हिलाते हुए आपके आगे पीछे आएंगे. सो एक चीज रहती है कि पहले आप समझो कि एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है. पहले उसकी टेल देखो, अगर वो घुर्रा रहा है या कुछ एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, सो यू बेटर बैक ऑफ. लेकिन अगर उसकी एकदम फ्रेंडली लग रहा है या कुछ भी, सो देर आर पीपल आउट हियर हु आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ डॉग्स. वो लोग डर के मारे भी डॉग को पत्थर मार देते हैं या भगाने का वो करते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक
But
फॉर देम.
these dogs are more scared of us. These
एग्जैक्टली.
dogs are more scared of us, and thank you. Yeah. So wait. This guy, I guess. एक minute. Just give me a second.
ओके हिंदी प्लीज, समवन नोट हिंदी प्लीज, सो हम लोग हिंदी में ही बात करेंगे.
See, I'm like that Golmaal, that Bhula, Johnny Lover. I just forget what I'm
जॉन
talking.
you know in one movie he actually played like मेरे फादर को रोल प्ले किया सिंह साहब द ग्रेट. मैंने लास्ट उसमें बताया था फर्स्ट एपिसोड में when I was talking with सुरेश मेनन सर.
Suresh Menon, sir, yeah.
Yeah. So first episode में मैंने बोला था कि like he was playing like मेरे father का role he was playing. हाँ.
Okay.
So yeah. So हाँ, you were talking about you know people attacking dogs who already डरे हुए रहते हैं.
Huh. Actually, you know what? Let's avoid negative things in the life.
Exactly.
I really don't want to get into politics. Totally
Yes.
not interested. Thank you. एक मिनट मुझे
Yeah guys, you can spam, आप spam कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे comments कर सकते हैं, मौसमी को wish कर सकते हैं.
today is my day and I realized it right now.
Yeah.
After someone wished me, I just realized it's my day. I was waiting since last night 12 o'clock. I was waiting. I was like, okay, ठीक है यार. Like it's Saturday. There was like एक महीने पहले it was like कि हाँ we will be celebrating in the office. And then it was like कि ठीक है मतलब Saturday lockdown is in this weekends, तो फिर हम
हाँ.
पहले सेलिब्रेट कर लेंगे, लेकिन फिर अब नहीं सेलिब्रेट करेंगे हम ऑफिस में. अब बाद में सेलिब्रेट होगा. तो एवरीवन वाज देयर यस्टरडे.
ऑफिस की बात आई तो ऑफिस में क्या कुछ सेलिब्रेशन हुआ है या किसी ने कुछ किया सरप्राइज?
एक्चुअली क्या हो गया था कि मुझे पता चल गया था सरप्राइज क्या है. तो आई वाज लाइक प्लीज डोंट डू दिस.
ऑफिस वाले अगर तुम लोग देख रहे हो, अगर पता लगो ये कौन खबरी है जो धीमे धीमे से लीक कर रहा है सब ये यू नो सरप्राइजेस, तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर आपका कोई एम्प्लॉय का अगर आगे बर्थडे आएगा वो बंदा लीक कर रहा है सब सरप्राइजेस. पता लगाओ.
I literally clicked a picture of that surprise and uploaded it in the group and said them please keep the surprises as surprises. Please guys, please. There should be some surprise. Like no one ever surprised me, you know, in my life. Everyone just has shocked me, given me shocks and not surprises. So I was literally begging them, and I told. And there's this guy named as Shubham. He's not watching this live. I just texted everyone in the group, "Okay, please." The time I said 1 minute रुको, I was texting them, "कि please आओ मेरा वो live देखो." Because they were eagerly waiting, but just now my office ended, so I'm just got ready only from the upper side of my body. Like how people attend the online classes.
In fact same मैं like full Hawaii and Goa वाला feel लेके बैठा हूँ, like the shirt and नीचे I'm wearing shorts. That's what news anchors do. That's what news anchors do.
Yeah, exactly. I have seen that.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I was going to talk about this RA forest as we had decided.
Yeah.
So there are around kuch I don't remember the numbers. There are around 400 bird species in RA. Only in RA you can see. ठीक है? Yeah, exactly. Even I didn't know after like I guess it's gonna be a year. It is not even a year we started working as this service and stuff. लेकिन तब हमें पता चला कि 400 से भी ज्यादा प्रजातियां हैं. और मुझे ये पता ही नहीं था. हमें सिर्फ वही पता है कोयल, कबूतर, ये चिड़िया ब्राउन वाली. We just know that. But no, there are too many. And I was literally, you can call me a small Mulan of Disney who was waiting for Phoenix to come, and Lamb was like a warrior with a sword in my bag, to come out like, yeah, Phoenix, I saw a Phoenix, but it is totally a dream for me to see a Phoenix in real. But it's okay, and still, so getting back to this serious point. Yeah, so there is this species named as Indian redfinch. They are extinct in ओवरऑल लाइक इंडिया में आप उनको देखोगे ही नहीं, ज़्यादा नहीं देखोगे, लेकिन इन आर यू कैन सी देम, बट स्टिल वी आर हियर टू सेव देम, विच आर में as you know कि deforestation कितना होता है and stuff as such which should not happen or should not take place. I don't know, like even this point of me can get me into politics, but it's okay. To be honest, there should be no
At the end, we
deforestation.
live in a democratic country and we have a right to keep a point. That's the
Yeah,
point.
but that's now how it works. अभी ऐसा नहीं होता, if totally not a feminist, and I don't know, because people are talking shit when it's a democratic country. You don't have the right to shit from your mouth and you just speak anything. That is totally not right, and taking all the advantage with like there are too many things rights given to women, but they are taking disadvantage of it, which I really don't support. Totally not from their side. So always from the male friend side. So whenever there is a fight, they're like, yeah, call Moshmi, she is there, she got our back. Anything else, yeah. So this, so Indian red finch we were talking about, and even parrots. You can never see parrots, around ऐसे घूम
Like
रहे
the place where I live, there are a lot parrots. Like मेरे हम लोग वो जो वो डालते हैं ना क्या बोलते हैं जो बर्ड फीडर जो रहता है हम लोग विंडो के बाहर लटकाते हैं सो वहां से वो ग्रीन कलर दैट ग्रीन पैरेट कैकेटो आई गेस आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट नेम सो वो लाइक हमेशा ज्यादातर आता है हमारी विंडो पे लाइक खाने के लिए
Wow, that's really,
Yeah.
really a blessing to your house when if there are, people or animal coming and eating. Barkat
Actually.
is a word to be used for this, because totally a good thing if there are like, yeah, that's what a true happiness is. If you can
Exactly.
see parrots around.
मैंने इंस्टाग्राम
That's
रील पे अपलोड भी किया था लाइक मैंने जब हम लोग ने जब इंस्टॉल किया था वो सो पहले दिन नहीं आया दूसरे दिन नहीं आया तीसरे दिन आया एट द फोर्थ डे पिजन स्पैरो नहीं सीधा पैरेट आके खा के जा रहा है so that was the
nice,
thing
nice, totally nice. Actually, यहाँ पे भी आर्य कॉलोनी में you can never see, because what they want is plum trees. Sorry, plum trees. Yeah. So we are even planning to do plantation and stuff as such to for these parrots to come. जो है अभी
so you all have
वही
total freedom to do the plantation
we take permission
okay
for everything, and we have this specific group from RA. They are the citizens of RA, so no one should stop them. Like they have the right to develop RA in that way.
oh that's great actually so this was like something new for me and even new for the audience who are watching right now
Yeah, exactly. No one knew this. Even I didn't knew this after I spoke to them. Like being with them for like 8 months, I guess, हो गए होंगे. But now we know everything exactly about what how RA colony is important for us, like how it is or it should be. There are around 10 to 20 bird calls we get in a day when it's summer, because they don't get proper
water
food too.
food,
Food
yeah
also.
exactly
Yeah. So what we know about this what we say ये नकली घोंसले आते हैं, नेस्ट आते हैं इनके लिए, जो we can we can just hang them on the trees and everything as such, क्योंकि वो अभी नहीं बना सकते, उन लोगों को टाइम लगता है बनाने के लिए, लेकिन these nests can be artificial nests of course for them to stay, to take a shelter or anything as such, जो उनके लिए ही अच्छा होगा of course. और water balls of course for birds.
exactly
You're doing a great job. I didn't read the comments.
So I had this one more question. Like when
Yeah.
you guys were feeding the dogs, so what exactly you all were feeding the dogs? Like the pedigree or biscuit or what exactly you all were feeding? Because I
No
had this
pedigree,
thing.
no biscuits. No pedigree, no biscuits. Actually, what we are doing, we are putting our own money in this, and we are like not accepting donation at this point. at very
Oh,
start,
I was actually going to
because
ask that as well.
yeah, actually, because we think we should work first, and we should create our presence everywhere on our own and not anyone else, and then we'll start accepting donation. That was the reason I started finding for my job, like I should get a job after I got graduated, because I was seeing that need, and I was gonna do masters, but I skipped that. I thought, okay, this is what we should do at this point, and all my group members supported it, and even they are working, they are putting in money, and they are putting in their efforts. To be honest, the whole group is more active than me.
Exactly.
More active. You can see on the page like everyone's name, everyone. Roshan is your. He is the guy who knows everything about animal, everything, like strays and stuff as such. Which is,
So
and we totally respect him for that, and we totally,
yeah. So guys, I have commented the name of their page, Nature Healthcare. So make sure you guys follow that page as well. They need the recognition because they're doing a lot hard work to run that organization. So make sure you check the page and follow them and
yeah.
give them love. Yeah.
That's all we want, love and support, and just treat how you can treat animals. Like there's this 32 number in RA colony, which is the worst area. People spot snakes, panthers, sorry, leopards, tigers. Like, of course there are these species in RA colony, and they have adapted it so beautifully. Like they know कि हाँ उनकी, like these animals have a specific way of going to drink water or in search of food. तो उनको पता है कि हाँ ये लेपर्ड मेरे यहीं से जाएगा या ये स्नेक मेरे यहीं से जाता है. तो they have adapted it. Like people, they say RA colony people are so like uneducated or anything, but they are so mature and they have accepted. We are living in this concrete jungle. They are living in the original one,
Actual one, yeah.
but still they have more. Like they don't earn as we do. Like whatever they earn, they are happy with it. Even they sell this vegetables and all natural vegetables. Of course, we should buy it from there. It's totally a good thing.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
they understand nature better than us. That's the most important point. कि
Exactly,
वो लोग
because they, हाँ, हम बाहर जाते हैं ना, माथेरान भी चले जाओ, पहाड़ देख लो ना, तो तुम फोटो खींच के डाल देते हो. They literally stay there. We just
Exactly.
go for a week or a month, but they are staying there. Like they are, what to say? I don't have that word.
like
I
you
just
can
like.
say कि they have a better life than us and वो लोग हमसे ज्यादा healthy भी रहते हैं, ज्यादा बीमारियों का वो नहीं, diabetes वगैरह nothing, ना thyroid का.
Nothing.
They are very close to nature and वो लोग की health भी उस हिसाब से बहुत अच्छी रहती है.
बहुत ज़्यादा, and they are, I'm just scrolling down the comments, searching
yeah,
that
sure.
who said happy birthday and who said like you're doing great, come on, you can do it.
So
And
as yeah.
बोलो, मैं ही
Yeah.
बोल रही हूँ, आपको भी बोलना है.
So yeah, when you said like you all were not feeding the biscuit nor the pedigree, so what exactly you all were feeding the dogs?
We are feeding these chicken legs, chicken
Oh.
rice, and because वो सबको हो जाता है, rice with chicken with some turmeric, because of course even they need some immunity, they need some self-care. Yeah, a best advice I can give you is never treat any animal with turmeric at first point. You should never do that, because for the next 24 hours you can't treat him क्योंकि वो healthy ही antiseptic है, but the best treatment can't be given for the next 24 hours.
Exactly.
Good.
And the people who are both are looking good. Thank you so much, Aquatic
Thank you so
Creations.
much. He is Roshan, he is Roshan, and hats off to him. He is the
Okay.
one who's leading us from RA.
Oh, that's great. Proud of you, brother.
Yeah, he is the one.
So,
Yeah.
those people who are watching over here, आप अगर dogs को feed करते हो, I have done that previously. कि like मैं college से आ रहा हूँ या फिर आ रहा हूँ, so if there's a puppy or dog around me, और मुझे लगा कि अगर वो भूखा है, उसकी मतलब because उनकी शक्ल देख के समझ आ जाता है, उतना तो understood है. So मैं जाके पार्ले जी लेके आता था and I used to feed them, but I got to know that पार्ले जी actually उनको खिलाना सही नहीं है.
नहीं है because there's sugar content in it.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
dogs को भी diabetes हो सकता है. I have heard this. I'm not sure, but you know many have said कि dogs को भी diabetes हो सकता है.
Even I have not heard it, लेकिन I
Yeah.
know कि it is not good for them.
But
Sugar से
yeah,
उनके
the
बाल झड़
point.
जाते हैं.
Exactly. The point is, उनके लिए ये अच्छा नहीं. Marigold is somehow fine for them because इसमें sugar quantity is very less. So as compared to Parle G, so if you are feeding a dog, आप उनको you know Marigold दे सकते हो या any biscuit like that. और या फिर आप अपने घर से कुछ बना दो. क्या ज़्यादा खर्चा थोड़ी है उसमें ना?
No, not at all. Totally
Yeah.
cheap for goodness, for having
Exactly.
a good action of love.
Yeah. Now I have this question like to you. So
Yeah.
you know you're an animal lover. That's a sure thing. That's why you're in this organization. Now being an animal lover, ज़्यादा किसको प्रेफर करते हो? डॉग को या कैट को? डॉग या कैट?
Uh, you should include also humans, in this, and give me a freedom to use to choose two options in it. So I'll choose dogs and cat, and exclude humans.
We've got a very smart guest today, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a smart guest today.
BMM student, yaar.
BMM
What
student,
will-
yeah. Our guest is a BMM student. Your host is a BMM student.
Nice. So it is. I hope this should not. We should not get into any kind of debate or anything as such. I support you. You support me.
Exactly. नहीं, but still at the end, you know, dog और cat में से choose करना पड़े, so ज़्यादा किसको? I know it's difficult, but you know, you have to give a little shot to that.
I don't want to answer this question. This is totally against my आप मेरी शक्तियों का गलत इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो इस वक्त.
वापस आ रहा हूँ माँ. कोई मिल गया. Oh my. But you know, I'll say, you know, I have played with dogs, I have played with cats, but preferably I go more towards the dog side. Any dog lover, comment section में कर दो comment यार जो भी dog lover है. And if you're a cat lover, you can comment that as well. देखते हैं आज कितने ज़्यादा dog lover है, कितने cat lovers है. देख लेते हैं आज comment section में.
Actually, most of the girls like cats, and they say they are dog lovers. लेकिन dogs देख के they just run away. I don't know why. Even I was one of them. Okay, I used to.
You know, many of my classmates they have dogs, cats. Sorry, they have a lot of cat. एक के पास पर्शियन कैट है. एक्चुअली मेरी एक और बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, उसके पास वाइट कलर का पर्शियन कैट है विद ब्लू आईज.
Wow. Even
Yeah.
this sky is with blue eyes. Ananyas. Yeah.
हाँ
Yes.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली हस्की.
Yeah. Puneri husky.
वो नहीं. Oh,
My
there is this
favorite.
some unique answer we got over here.
The
The
dog.
dog.
Roshan is the one with
Smart
that
one.
such kind of answer. We all are smart in the organization. All are smarties official.
You know, if by any chance any of you like from your you know organization goes to a news channel for a debate, so you guys are already playing safe. अभी से इतना एकदम smooth खेल रहे हो कि वहाँ पे जाके
I told
tension
you.
ही नहीं है.
I told you we don't wanna get into any kind of politics, but वो
If
बोलते
we
हैं
do,
ना
we are
कि I
already
don't.
safe.
No, I don't want to get into any kind of drama. लेकिन खबर सारी चाहिए मुझे. We are of that kind. We are there, but we are not there. You know, Harry Potter has this Adrishya chadar. We got
हाँ.
it with us.
Any Harry Potter lover, you can spam the comment section. Harry Potter का एक सेंड करा.
Voldemort. Voldemort is more famous than Harry Potter.
Oh, big time. उसका क्या रोल था ना उस मूवी में जिसमें ऋतिक रोशन था.
जादू की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं.
नहीं कांचा चीना की
literally
बात
that
कर रहा हूँ मैं.
scene. Literally the scene of Voldemort holding Harry like this, and like he's in his arms, and still he fooled him. Like, what kind of villain are you, yaar? Like, he fooled that child, fooled you.
They should learn from the South Indian film industry. They are
Yeah.
way more smarter.
पैर से तूफान उठा सकते हैं South Indian heroes, if you know.
Exactly.
This tsunamis were nothing, you know. They never seen South Indian movie.
I swear.
That
So,
one hero, huh?
yeah, I had this question. Like, running an organization is a big task already.
Yeah.
So, what kind of problems do you all face? That's the question. What kind of problems do you all face running the organization?
We good. We are trying to good to others, but they just spoil it. This is the problem.
Like how?
I don't know. I don't want to get into the politics, but this is the answer.
Uh,
There are too many obstacles from like natural obstacles, like monetary issues. We lack with money most of the time because there are too many
exactly.
responsibilities on every single one year. You know, so होता है, but we don't show our obstacles or any problem as such. Our problems are just that we are concerned about all the calls के एकदम में जितने calls आ रहे हैं वो सारे attend हो. This is the main issue we face and we look into, and we think it is a problem. Our motto is like, you know, you treat one animal very correctly, or you know, feel concerned about it, and you sleep nicely. बस और
Exactly.
कुछ नहीं चाहिए. You just don't need anything besides that.
So, there are, if any animal lover is here, so do you want to give them any message or something like that?
No message for animal lovers. You know, they know what to do. I don't
Exactly.
have to guide them. You know, even I was an animal lover, no one guided me, because I think it is. You know, even we went to clean this Bangoda place where dam is being built. Okay, so this is a very beautiful built place for everyone to go and see, but people just go and they drink, and you can see they use chaknaga packets and anything as such, and we literally have went and cleansed it, and I guess 3 से 4 sacks of bottle
Yeah.
bottles, these alcohol bottles were there, and we literally thought कि भाई इसको अगर बेच देंगे ना तो बहुत पैसे खाएगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बहुत ज़्यादा. But we thought कि नहीं, we should not do that. You know, this is totally a negative kind of a money we are getting into the organization. So we dropped that plan, and we thought कि नहीं, we should not do this. But during when we were cleaning this, now we have literally picked up sanitary
Monsuni,
pads.
there's a little disturbance coming from your end, like slight keying wala sound aa raha hai.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yeah, I guess कोई पूजा कर रहा है. That is the reason. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, bhakts and all.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we literally have picked around. I have picked around 25 to 30 sanitary napkins from that area, because people there are having big houses, but I don't know why they are not building this dumping shed or anything. जो भी आप बोल सकते हो. There should be something to dump garbage, you know, in that area. They are just. This is such a beautiful, beautiful. You will never see such places on earth. Like totally a heaven. If you say Kashmir is a heaven for India, na, RA is heaven for Mumbaikars.
I was just
Yeah.
asking to give a message you want to give to the audience.
I just want them to be happy and do not injure anyone. You know, be safe at home. Just be happy and make others happy. You know, don't get into the mess and don't create any drama. You know, be like us. Okay? मतलब don't get into the drama, but get every information of the drama.
Exactly. Feed dogs, and feed
You should.
the birds as well, because garmi ka time hai. They
You
get
should have this
thirsty.
plates and anything
Yeah.
as such at your windows for them to just, you know, they can fly and have whatever they want, and they can go. Totally a service provided by all the humans for them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, all right.
That's.
Once again, thank you so much for joining in,
Thank you so much.
and happy birthday once again.
Thank you so much.
And you can
Thank
cut
you.
your cake right now. Even I'll go up,
Yes.
and my brother might
Yes.
be waiting for me to cut the cake.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
ठीक
So
है.
thank you so much.
You're
Yeah.
welcome. Thank you for joining in. Good
Thank you.
night. Good night, guys. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Just one more thing. ये हमारे चैनल की, ये हमारे जो शो की है वो प्रथा है Can you ask your people to follow me on Instagram? ये प्रथा है.
Yeah, you all have to follow me on Instagram first, and then you can follow Leslie. Arey, mass media student, you need to
Yeah.
advertise first. You need to create your own presence at first, and then create for others. कि मतलब ऑक्सीजन का मास्क पहले खुद लगाए फिर दूसरों के लिए लगाए. So that is the reason. Follow me and then follow him. You will
And
find him on my ID.
yeah, and make sure you follow the Nature Healthcare as well. These guys need recognition. Make sure you follow these people.
For sure.
All
Bye-bye.
right. Bye. Good night.
Thank you.